Alright, AO-91 satellite now. W1. W1 FRD. 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 Whiskey 1 Foxtrot Romeo Delta. 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 Charlie Mike 88.
Whiskey 1 Romeo Foxtrot Delta. Alpha Alpha 0 Charlie Whiskey DM58.
Alpha Alpha Charlie Whiskey Delta. Oh, go one more time. W1 FRD. We're getting that interference.
Alpha Alpha 0 Charlie Whiskey in DM58 Colorado.
Alpha Alpha 0 Whiskey Whiskey.
Charlie Whiskey.
Oh, gotcha. Charlie Whiskey. It's on my recording. Okay, W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88. Standing out here in the street with my aero antenna.
W1 FRD, Alpha Kilo 8, Charlie Whiskey, Stroke Rover.
Copy, Stroke Rover. Alright, I'm just at my house. W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88, QSL.
It's Alpha Kilo 8, Charlie Whiskey, Stroke Rover, and I'm at Delta November 31, Delta November 32, grid line. AK8 CW, AA0 CW, 58. AA0 CW, QSL from the grid line, Delta November 31, Delta November 32. QSL, have fun, 7-3. X-ray Echo 1, Bravo Station, Whiskey 7, Whiskey Golf Charlie, Delta November 06. Whiskey 7, Whiskey Golf Charlie, Alpha Alpha 0 Charlie Whiskey, DM58.
W1 FRD, Charlie Mike 88.
0 Charlie Whiskey, Whiskey 7, Whiskey Golf Charlie.
Whiskey 7, Whiskey Golf Charlie, please copy Kilo Juliet 7, Delta Zulu, Charlie November 84.
Golf Charlie, Alpha Alpha 0 Charlie Whiskey. 06 Roby, thanks for the contact.
Whiskey 7, Whiskey Golf Charlie, please copy Kilo Juliet 7, Delta Zulu, Charlie November 84.
Kilo Juliet 7, Delta Zulu, Charlie November 84. Whiskey Golf Charlie with you, Delta November 06 Roby, good contact.
QSL, QSL.
Alpha Kilo 8 Charlie Whiskey, November 31, Delta November 32. Alpha Kilo 8 Charlie Whiskey, Whiskey 7 Whiskey Golf Charlie, Delta November 06. Whiskey 7 Whiskey Golf Charlie, thanks for the grid line, Delta November 31, Delta November 32. QSL, good contact.
W1 FRD.
W1 FRD, Whiskey 7 Whiskey Golf Charlie, Delta November 06.
Yeah, I got you again, QSL. Got my antenna almost horizontal.
Whiskey 7 Whiskey Golf Charlie, KF6JOQ, DMO5. KF6JOQ, Whiskey. Good contact, my friend. 7-3.
FRD, try one more time before it dips under the horizon.
W1 RFD Whiskey Golf Charlie, when you're transmitting, it's really putting a lot of buzz on the air.
Alright, well yeah, I'm trying to go through the house. W1 FRD, I just changed my polarity.
There you're sounding really good.
Alright, thank you. W1 FRD, I'm holding my antenna way high above my head to get in.